Hello everyone, welcome back to the Winter Challenge, where I fly and post a video every day that it is above 40 degrees. So we got nice weather again today, and I actually was going to be shooting advanced trick theory, but my GoPro that I use for my stick camera has low battery, so unfortunately that's going to have to wait a couple days. But make sure that you guys are subscribed so you don't miss that. So today instead I'm actually going to be testing out the new Ethix 6-inch props, which are manufactured by HQ. So this isn't a full review or anything, but you guys will get to see a sneak peek of how these props perform before I post the full prop review. So please like this video if you liked it. Once again, get subscribed so you don't miss all of this new content that I'm making, and enjoy the flight, and thanks for watching.